In our previous video, we have revised our lesson number 2, our foods question answer, that is multiple choice questions. Now we are going to see the question and answers. So see on the page number 13 and write down question number C. Answer these following questions. You have to write down these question answers in your CW notebook. Okay children? So write down. So first question is, who are non-vegetarians? Who are non-vegetarians? So write down the answer. People who eat both plant and animal product they eat cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, fish and meat. Okay children? Write down the second question here. Second, what is protective food? Protective food. What is protective? Write down the answer. That is vegetables and fruits. VEGETABLES. Vegetables and fruits. 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 Vegetables and fruits are protective food. Protective food. It keeps our body fit and prevent prevent us from falling sick. FALLING, falling sick, SICK, sick. Okay children, write down this answer in your notebook. Now children, write down the question number D on the page number 13. Question number D. Write down answer the following questions. So, write down in your CW notebook. The first question, name the 3 important meals of the day. Name the 3 important meals of the day. Do you know children? Which are they? Write down the answer. Breakfast, breakfast, then lunch, and dinner, dinner. The second question, that is, why is breakfast called the most important meal of the day. Tell me the answer question, children. Why it is an important meal of the day? Because because it keeps us active throughout the day. Now write down the third question, that is, what kind kind of food what kind of food make us fat? Make us fat. What kind of food make us fat, children? That is, junk food make us fat. J-U-N-K, junk food make us fat. Okay, children? Understand? See the yellow box, that is activity box. So in this activity box there is a question, that is tick right on the food that can be eaten raw and put a cross on that which has to be cooked. Means you have to tick downside of the picture that we can be eaten raw, and we have to put a cross downside of the picture that we cannot be eaten raw, we have to cook it. So first picture is a potatoes picture. So can we eat potato raw? No. So put a wrong in the downside of the potato pictures box. Then carrots can be eaten raw? Yes. So put a right in the carrots box. Then mangoes? Yes, mangoes also can be eaten raw. Then brinjal? No, we cannot eat brinjal raw. We have to cook it. So make a raw downside of the brinjal's box. Then cauliflower. We cannot eat cauliflower raw. We have to cook it. So this picture also make it wrong. Then pineapple. Yes, we can eat pineapple raw. So put a right in downside of the box. Thus we have finished our second lesson's revision. Okay, children, now we will meet in our next lesson, means third lesson's revision.